Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you'll create your colorful community based off of the book All Mixed Up. So the first thing we want to do is load up our Sketchbook app. Now when your Sketchbook app opens up, you're going to select your sketchbook and you should see other pictures that you have drawn, such as your 2 pictures about summer. And you're going to hit the plus sign to open up a new paper. Now, obviously, we're not painting with a real paintbrush or paint, but you are going to simulate painting by selecting your paintbrush app, or your paintbrush tool. This is the one that I've highlighted, the one that looks red on the side. And then you're going to pick your first color. You can start with whatever color you want. I'm going to start with yellow. And you can select whether you want to use the small tip, medium, or large. I'm going to start with the medium one. And I am just going to start to make little dots. Now, I don't want to put like 100 dots on here. I probably want anywhere around 10 to 12. Now, you're going to space them out and make them different sizes, and you are going to be adding other colors later. So for right now, I'm just going to make a few yellow ones. Now, if I want to make my colors darker, I can go over them a second time, and you'll immediately see that that yellow is much darker than your other yellows. And you could do it again to make that color even more saturated, which means brighter. So if you want to do that, you can, but you don't have to. Now, if you go outside of the line, you'll see that it makes a lighter line around it. I don't love that, so I'm going to take that back, and I'm going to just stay more on the actual dot. But how you make yours is totally up to you. And then you're going to continue doing the same thing with other colors. Now, don't forget, the cool thing about the book Mixed is that when those dots interact, and specifically when they stop worrying about staying separate, their colors mix and they make a more colorful community. So you can have your dots touch and overlap. That's where one goes over another one, and that is totally okay. And remember, we can make those colors darker if you want. And you're going to keep doing this until you've got all of your dots made. Switching your color whenever you want. And I'll probably do maybe 1 or 2 more colors here. And it's cool because you can see, just like the way paint would mix in real life with yellow and blue making green, when you overlap those two, you can see that area of green. Same over here with the yellow and the red to the left. So I like that even though you're using your iPad, you still get the same effect that you would if you were mixing real colors. It's quite accurate, which is cool. Alright, and I'm going to put one last color, which is obviously my favorite color. Guess what it is? Alright, and now after you get all your dots done, you are going to watch the next video, which is going to show you what to do with all of them. Put one more right here. There we go. All right, go ahead, work on yours.